Finding the right engine stand is essential for safe and efficient vehicle maintenance. In this video, we'll review the best engine stands available, comparing their features, build quality, and performance to help you choose the ideal one for your needs. The Big Red T26801 Torin Steel rotating engine stand brings several notable upgrades to the table. With a 1,500-pound load capacity, it's built to handle a variety of engine types with ease. The mounting head features 4 adjustable arms and a 360-degree rotation, allowing effortless access to all parts of the engine. The stand's mobility is another strong point, as it's equipped with 2 fixed casters and 3 360-degree swivel casters, providing smooth and easy maneuverability. Its folding design is a game-changer for those with limited storage space, ensuring that it doesn't take up much room when not in use. While some users have noted minor concerns about packaging and performance before lubrication, the overall build quality and functionality make this stand a solid choice for both amateur and professional mechanics looking for reliability and convenience in their workspace. The JEGS rolling engine cradle offers a practical and durable solution for storing and moving Chevy small and big block engines. With its heavy-duty steel construction, it provides a solid 750 pounds load capacity to securely hold engines during maintenance or storage. The cradle features 4 3-inch swivel casters that allow 360-degree movement, making it easy to maneuver your engine in tight spaces. Assembly is quick and straightforward, with all necessary storage hardware included. While it's designed to work with side motor mounts on BB Chevy and Gen 1 SB Chevy engines, it's not compatible with LS engines. Despite this limitation, users appreciate the cradle's sturdy design and affordability, with many highlighting its smooth operation and value for money. The compact design and easy assembly make it a go-to option for engine storage, making engine work more convenient and organized in the shop. The VEVOR 1,300-pound rotating engine stand delivers exceptional stability and durability for engine maintenance tasks. With its impressive 1,300-pound capacity, this engine stand can securely hold most engine blocks, providing reliable support during repairs. The upgraded U-shaped base replaces the traditional T-shaped design, offering enhanced stability and eliminating worries about shaking or tilting. The stand features 4 adjustable arms and a 360-degree rotatable head, making it easy to access all areas of the engine for a smooth and efficient repair process. For mobility, the stand is equipped with 4 360-degree swivel casters, 2 of which are lockable, allowing precise maneuverability and secure positioning. Constructed from high-strength alloy steel with an electrostatic spraying surface, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the VEVOR engine stand is a solid choice for tackling automotive repairs with ease. The Performance Tool W41025 rotating engine block stand is a must-have for any engine enthusiast or professional mechanic. With a 1,000 pounds capacity, it comfortably supports a wide range of engine blocks, both foreign and domestic. Built from heavy-duty tubular steel, this stand is built to last, providing the strength and durability needed for tough engine work. The standout feature is the 360-degree rotating head that locks into 6 positions, allowing for easy access to every angle of the engine. This versatility makes it perfect for detailed work and maintenance. The heavy-duty swivel casters ensure smooth maneuverability, allowing you to easily move the stand around your workspace. Weighing in at 30.4 pounds, it's sturdy yet manageable, and the fully adjustable mounting head ensures a secure and custom fit for different engine blocks. For a reliable, durable, and versatile engine stand, the Performance Tool W41025 is a great choice for any mechanic. The OTC 1726. A hydraulic engine stand is a heavy-duty solution for engine maintenance, capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds. This stand excels in both functionality and durability, offering a 360-degree rotating head that locks into place at 8 different positions. It's designed for small-sized vehicle and light truck engines, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of repairs. While it's a bit on the heavier side, weighing around 106 pounds, the stand's hydraulic mechanism makes lifting and positioning your engine much easier. The stand also features a sturdy steel construction and a powder-coated finish, ensuring longevity and protection against rust. With its adjustable arms and solid base, this engine stand is a reliable tool for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Though it comes with a premium price tag, it's built to last and handle demanding jobs with ease.